your entryway cluttered with shoes and you just don't know what to do with them, there are a sight for sore eyes. There's too many there, and you need to get something that organizes your shoes better. I got a solution for you. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is a shoe cupboard, and it houses shoes, our shoes. So we have two, so they are individually, you buy them, they're sold separately. So we got two of them because we needed more than one, just in terms of the amount of shoes that would be here. You know, this is in addition to the shoes we have in our cupboards individually. So I think 2, 4, 6. So each one of us has two of these cupboards for our shoes. So mine is the first two. I believe my other and my daughters have the rest. I'm not sure which ones are which, but it is one of the best solutions we have had. We've had like wire racks, shoe racks here, but there just wasn't enough to hold our shoes. And even if we were to build or make them taller, it would just be a sight for sore eyes. What I like about this one, they're not that thick, so the space needed doesn't need to be that deep. Two, they hide. They hide everything. So although I can't see it, I know that although I can't see the shoes, like I visually can't just look at which shoes are there, it's easy to see. I don't have to be looking on a rack to find the shoes. I know which ones are mine. I quickly can just open and close. And the same way, I can quickly organize them back in. So these were sold. We got these from IKEA. I'm not sure how much they are sold for, but like I said, these are the best solutions for our home and the best system. Again, I always stress that you have to find a system that works best for you and your family. If you have younger kids, I think these are also awesome. They can be able to grab their shoes from the bottom on their own and put them back. And because the younger, the feet are smaller, sorry, so you're able to house more here than I would say typically on a shoe rack. And some of them might be able to double up on some of them. I have my boots in here as well. And like I said, you come in, you take off your shoes, and you can put whatever is needed here. So maybe shoes that you wear often. We still have mats and stuff at the sides, especially when guests comes. But this primarily houses our shoes that we would wear constantly outside. And especially when coming in the winter time, we leave them on the mat to, dry off, and then we put them here, and then it's easy for us to go in here and access these shoes. These are extremely lightweight too, and you can see that. So if something falls behind, because they are still very much open at the back, so if something falls behind, you're able just to push them aside and get back behind there and get what you need. And also, if you need to move them anywhere, they're not hard to do. It's not a struggle to do so. This would fit nicely in a bedroom, or in if you had a bigger closet, it can go in there as well. It can go into a closet. This could be a nice system for your shoes inside your closet. You can put something up here. The options are, endless as to where this can be used. But again, you know, the system has to work for you and your family. I definitely agree that this is perfect for young kids. You might even want to keep one, you know, where you have spare slippers and stuff like that, like, or flip-flops. Like, I live in a condominium, and you might want to give your guests slippers or flip-flops, say they're going on the balcony, so they don't have to, you know, grab their shoes or whatever. This is perfect to house that, and it's out of sight, out of mind. It contains the shoes. The shoes don't, so whatever shape the shoes are in, they can't be seen by anybody, and it's not an eyesore. This is definitely a win-win for organizing our shoes. There you go. Again, these are sold at IKEA. I'm not quite sure. We've had this for about 3-4 years, but I do believe they still sell them. And I do believe they sell them where it's wider, so it's not as tall. So if height is an issue, then you can go wider as well. But this fits perfect. It fits perfect on this wall. You can see the spacing there, and the height is perfect as well. We needed this amount of drawers for our shoes. Well, that's it. I hope you got some inspiration from how we organize our shoes in our front hallways. Like I said, that could be used in any space that it can fit. It's slim enough, it's not wide, it's tall. But I know you can also get like a half size, so it's a little bit wider if you needed it. How we have two, you can do the same thing. Stack one on top of the other. So let me know in the comments how you organize your shoes in your front hallway. How do you keep it organized? I've seen cubbies, I've seen racks, but this solution was the best for us. But anyways, let me know what you do to organize your shoes. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. I'm off to do some more decluttering. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.